Hi everyone and welcome to GobbleUp. Today I'm going to show you how to make veg chops but the Kolkata style. So the Kolkata style veg chops are very different and yet they're very delicious. So let's begin. So for this I have first taken some whole garam masala, which is elaichi, dry red chilli, some jeera, bay leaf or tej patta, saunf, dalchini and some peppercorns or whole kali mircha. So I'm going to first dry roast these and then I'm going to grind them to a powder. So in a little pan, just take all these masalas and just roast them for about 2 or 3 minutes till you get a nice aroma. And then you turn off the gas, let it cool and then grind it. So here I am just roasting them. And you get a very nice smell, especially of the jeera. When it starts roasting, the smell is really very nice. So it's now done. Turn off the gas and just let it cool. Once it's cool, put it into a mixie and just grind it. So this is the masala that we're going to add in our chop. Yeah, don't forget to take out the stem of the dry red chilli before grinding it. Just grind it for about 30 seconds. Check and see if it's not ground well, you can powder it a little more. Yeah, I think we need to do it once more. So once these masalas are ready, just keep them aside because this is what we're going to add to our chops. Now in a little pan, take about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Now once the oil starts spluttering, add panch phoran. Now panch phoran is a mixture of 5 masalas. I will tell you what they are in my description box. Now add some ginger paste to it. Now I have taken 1 beetroot which I have grated. Add that to this mixture and 1 grated carrot. So to the panch phoran and ginger mixture I have added 1 grated beetroot and 1 grated carrot, 1 chopped green chilli, and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes till it becomes nice and mushy. Now add the boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix it all very well. And into this add all the masalas. The ground masala first, which we did in the mixie. Add that. Followed by salt. Then add some dhania powder. 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. And 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. This chop is primarily sweet, so I've added I've added half a teaspoon of sugar. Now just mix them all up together. See, it's mixed up and it looks like one beautiful red color. Turn off the gas and let it cool. Now while it's being cooled, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of raw peanut. You can grind it, like just give it one turn in the mixie. Fry it for about a minute. Then turn off the gas and mix it into that beautiful red mixture that we've just made. The crunchy flavor of the peanut makes the chop even more delicious. So add this to the red mixture and mix it all up and wait for it to cool before we start frying them. Now they're cool. Now I'll show you how to make the chop. You can make it in just about any shape that you like. So I'm planning to make it cylindrical. You can rub a little bit of oil on your hands if you wish, if you feel that the chop is kind of sticky. So you can see how well the chop has been formed. I've made it cylindrical and pat it from top and bottom. This is the way I've done it. And just keep it aside on a plate. So I already have made a few of them and kept them. Now we're going to fry these. So take some oil in a kadai for deep frying. I have made a slurry with 4 tablespoons of corn flour and about 2.5 tablespoons of water. Of course, I need it a thin consistency, so you can just check it on your own. It has to be this thin. Dip the cutlet and now coat it with some breadcrumbs. Now we are going to coat these chops twice, because if you coat them twice, you'll have a nice thick crust on the outside. So this is the first coat. Keep it aside. In the same way, do the others as well. Dip it into the cornflour slurry. Then coat it well with breadcrumbs. And keep them aside. Now for the second coat, you take those coated chops, again put them into the cornflour slurry. And again recoat them with the breadcrumbs. So you have a nice thick coating of breadcrumbs on the top. Now slowly, the oil is hot, so now start frying these chops in the hot oil. You can see that the oil is nice and hot. Now the potato mixture or the beetroot mixture is already cooked, so we don't have anything to cook in that as much, as we have the outside coating to be nice and fried and crisp. So it will not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Once the outside starts becoming a little darkish in color, the chops are done. Drain out the excess oil. The chop should be nice and reddish brown in color. Yeah, you can see it's done. Just drain out the excess oil and take it out in on your kitchen towel. The next one also seems to be done. Take this one out as well And in the same way, fry all the other chops. These are your Kolkata style veg chops. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Have them with green chutney. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.